Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush with Rush More Reviews, the Discover Boss. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Definitely leave a comment on this video, like and share as well, so that more persons can see this video. Today we're at Camp Road, the JDF new gate, new perimeter fence. That's what we're checking out today. And again, if you want to contribute or donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well. Donation will go towards better equipment, and eventually a drone and other equipment as well. So we'll be taking an exclusive look at the developments of upper camp, development with the new gate for the JDF. And they also resurfaced the road, so the road is newly resurfaced and marked. So it's a nice strip right in front of the JDF on Camp Road. Alright, so this was their original entrance and exit. This has now been closed. Not sure if they'll eventually put a emergency gate here or they're just gonna block it off fully. Well, let's see, maybe they just block it off. But this was their original gate. Now they're at the Cannonball Gate. That's where the new entrance and exit is. So this is Arnold Road. So this is the new JDF Cannonball Gate. Now fully operational. So everywhere is fenced, grilled, and there is entrance and exit. The stoplight is also newly installed. New drain, new resurfacing of the road. So it's a good look. It was well needed as well. The other gate created a lot of traffic, especially in peak hour. So this one has completely solved that problem, and it's better access control. So definitely share your thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think in terms of this new gate for the JDF. So I personally like this new development. I personally like this new gate. Alright guys, remember to subscribe, like and comment.